Hello, in this video we are going to see an example of find element based on a given locator. So this is the URL. So these all are links searchable by this CSS locator. So let's copy locator and create a locator lnk all links by.css loc selector, and this is the locator. So calling the method find elements count of all links length line of find elements. Elements is equal to dot get find elements. This will return all the elements having the same locator. So there were 44, so it will return 44 elements, and here we are going to print count of elements and then wait for 2 seconds using the wait for while method, and then click on second link. So elements has the links to all the elements, and then we can use elements of one dot click and then wait for 3 seconds. Let's run the test hyphen key test method name. Test started running. Launching test. Browser instance created now, and opening the link, then finding all the elements, and let's see clicking on the second element. Thank you.